Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, gusto kong pakita sa inyo how to better understand the company or the life insurance company that yung investa natin or bibilhan natin ng isang life insurance plan. Whether it's a life insurance company or a non-life insurance company or even in HMO company. This is one of the best way for you to check kung gaano nga ba katibay ang financial capacity ng isang company. And simply, ganito lang kadali, you just have to go sa website na to, insurancegov.ph. So, Insurance Commission or Philippines is the regulating body when it comes to life insurance companies. So, once you log in, punta ka lang dito sa tab ng data, look at for statistics. Makita natin there are different life insurance, non-life insurance company, pre-need, HMO, insurance broker, reinsurance broker. So, since we're in the life insurance business, you'll go to the life insurance statistics. So here, you'll get different reports, surveys that they do, conduct on a regular basis. Different metrics yan on premium income, net income, invested assets, paid up capital, new business annual premium, net worth, and assets. So dito tayo pupunta sa statistics on the metric of net worth. So dito natin makikita yung kahalagahan ng isang company, especially when it comes to life insurance. So based from the performance, net worth nila, December 2024, so that recent year lang. So nakita natin ang konti. So according to their report, ito ang companies that, hope you can see it guys. So ito yung companies, no? Ranking yan on the net worth. So base, number one is AIA Philippines. Proudly, it's where we belong to the company. Sun Life, Insular Life, PDO Life, Manufacturers Life Company, Life Insurance Company. So dito naman sa side na to, on this column, the net worth in numbers, 55 billion, 52 billion, 43. So, hindi lang basta-basta eh. Doesn't mean na number one, you have to look at the number also. How much pa talaga? And here is very clear na may capacity si AIA. Kasi laki ng mga difference eh. Yan, BPI, AIA, so ito yung partner ni AIA. So, 1 and 6 sila. AXA, Sun Life Grandpa, FWD, Manulife China Bank, ito yung bank assurance ng Manulife and China Bank. Pioneer Life, Pru Life, okay. United Coconut Planters Life Assurance, Allianz, Paramount, East West, Etika, First Life, Beneficial, so many more. So, nandito lahat yung data niyan. And this is really good before signing anything, no? When it comes to buying a life insurance policy or doing your research. So, I hope guys, meron kayong natutunan with this video. And puntahan nila itong website na to. It's online. It's available anytime for you, especially if you're a discerning buyer.